Paint pen that I haven't used for a while. This is Transparency, and it's on the back of this little guy. And I have just been drawing with this, and now I'm just going to doodle on the paper. And I love these paint pens. In fact, as a prize for getting through the 9 weeks, I ordered some more, and they stick really well. Now they ball up some, so like right there, see how they get like all liquidy and stuff? Oh, I love it. It's wonderful little texture, and it starts to pull. And so I've ordered some more, and it's just like nice. If you're a pen and ink person, just an idea. You can draw on some transparencies with these, and they stay really well. They stay better than Sharpie. This is just wax thread I sealed between, whoop, you can see it right there, this doodle. Punched holes in transparency and made it a page in my journal. So yeah, it's really, really fun, and I'm trying to avoid the holes so you don't see it through the other side as much. And I'm just coloring, just going back in and making sure that the shapes of the paper, I take the paper from the other side of the journal and I use it as my white space. I try to keep the holes as my negative space, and I just use the shapes to guide me as I doodle. And of course, as always, there's always some eyes starting to form. You can see them forming right here. But yeah, this is part of my morning art journal. And see, like right there, boop, the Posca Paint pen is balling up on the transparency. But look at the scumbling effect of the pen and ink. It's really nice. It kind of gives you that nice velvety blackness. You can see it really. Boop. Ah, there it is, really good right here. And it's balling up, and as it dries, it'll stay there. So this is dry up here, and you can see it's not smearing. Now, if I was to take my hand and just rub it, it would. If I want it to be a smeared effect, I can do that. Smudge it a little bit, kind of get some texture going on for some grayscale, and I use it like that. I don't waste a thing in any kind of mistake. I just adapt and overcome. So just a tip, if you need an idea for a visual journal, transparencies work great. Sometimes you find you buy items that have transparencies as part of your packaging. Save it. You can do the same thing. So this is just a normal Posca Paint pen. It's 7 millimeters, 0.7, boop, right there. And yeah, I am loving it.